Welcome! I am Walmart Chef Suzanne Clark. Let's make a quick and easy ravioli lasagna, an installment in our 5-ingredient inspiration series. Mild Italian sausage, frozen cheese ravioli, tomato basil garlic sauce, shredded mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Begin by cooking your sausage in a large pan. Now pour in the tomato sauce. The sausage is a quick way to add depth and flavor to a typical lasagna. Now for the fun, let's assemble our lasagna. I want to add about 1/3 of the meat sauce to the bottom of the pan. Arrange the frozen ravioli to start the first layer. Using the cheese ravioli is such a time saver. No boiling pasta ahead of time, and the cheese filling gives us that rich and creamy cheese layer. Add more sauce, half of the mozzarella cheese and half of the Parmesan. Now all you have to do is repeat these steps for the second layer. Once assembled, place into a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Making lasagna has never been easier. By following this method and using only 5 ingredients, you'll have an affordable dinner on the table in no time at all. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the Walmart Chef series on YouTube.